And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let us draw multiple objects and I'll show you how we can recolor them one by one. Still we have our canvas, this C and CTX, which is the object to draw. But don't confuse that, this is not, if we for example draw a circle or rectangle, this is not the object that we draw. The entire canvas is our object that we draw as the CTX. And inside we'll draw, for example, a rectangle. And we put it somewhat in center. It has the default style, so no fill and a black stroke. I can change the stroke style right here, set it to red. Now let me increase the line width a little bit, you already know that. Now let us create a second rectangle, and this time I want to change its position and the size a little bit, and I don't want to have it red. And now if I refresh it, you can see that only this gets drawn and the first one isn't drawn. So whenever you create objects, you have to add the stroke style and all of these style elements to your objects. So the second one has it, the first one doesn't have it anymore. So let me copy paste this here and I'll make it red. And now we can finally see both objects. They have a different stroke color. And we can even make them overlap by changing X and Y position. Let me first comment this. Now I reposition the second one, the blue one, and you can see this creates the overlaps, and the blue one is drawn on top as it comes second. You're not limited to rectangles, of course, so let us add a circle, begin path, we need the arc, and then stroke it. And find a good position and size. I want it to be a full circle, so 0 to 2 times p. I'm gonna make it green. Maybe I'll put it here. Yet again, you can see this drawn on top of the red and the blue one. If you want to change the fill, you can even do that. Let us use it for the red rectangle first, and I'll show you a different method. Because for rectangles we have a simple fill rect method that we can use, and then you just copy X, Y position, width and height from the rect method, place it here. We don't need the ctx.rect anymore. And now this is filled. Black is by default the style for fill rect. Let me give a fill to the circle we need to change the fill style. I'll make it red, and then we'll have to call it, so ctx.fill, and this one is drawn on top of the black one. You could use the same method for rectangles as well. So let me just use fill style and fill. I copy paste it, put it to my second rectangle with the blue stroke, and I give it a blue fill. This is also filled now. And this is how you can stack these objects, give them different styles. And they are still part of the CTX, so the single object that we draw inside of the canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.